Okay. Now here's where we drill up into that hole that we just did right here. We are going to drill in right here and then up at an angle so that you can jump right into that hole right there. And you'll kind of feel it hit that hole as long as you line it up right, and it'll go right in there. You'll be able to tell. Don't drill too far because you don't want to go out the back side. There's one side. And there you go. Then we'll take our blower, blow it out, and get it all ready. Every once in a while there's some extra shards of wood in there, and you need to take your auger bit and go down from the inside and get it all cleaned out so it's nice and smooth to run your wires through.